Alright, nothing in my teeth, nothing in my beard. Back from vacation, and I got a surprise box. Something I had ordered before vacation that I never was told it was going to be here. But anyway, it's here. Pan America GPS mount. War Eagle. Aluma-cycle. So we'll crack it open, take a look. This is something that I've been waiting for. So let me open it up. Why, this knife is sharp. This must be a strong label. Swiss Army knife. Motorcyclist approved. Alright, popping this guy open. It's mounting screws. There is not a lot. That's pretty cool. Template directions. Oh, directions template. And the piece de resistance. Oh, stickers. You gotta like stickers. I think we all like stickers. Alright, that wrapped like a nice piece of meat. This thing is light. What? Alright, this is it. This is what I was waiting for. Wow, that is beautiful. This is so light. Online it said that this thing has been tested to hold up to 75 pounds. I believe these 2 points are if you wanted to mount the RAM mount that would screw on. This is for the Zumo GPS. I guess when I mount it, I will lose these two. That is a shame because that could have came in handy, but I'm not sure. All right, to the bike. Or to the Aluma-cycles does have a pretty good video about how to get the mounting bracket here. They don't really show too much about getting it on the bike, so I'm gonna make this a little bit longer than I probably have to. Front count has 4 little nubs inside it for the Pan America on each side. Something I like to do when I'm working on projects is use tools that I keep on the bike. I added to the other tool set I had this whole Torx bit set and this little magnetic holder. It has a lot in there. Bought a ratcheting screwdriver. This guy fits a little loose in there. We'll try it. Looks like it is a T30, and literally just 4 screws. See, we have to disconnect the USB plug. So it just looks like it just screws out somehow. Yep, just screw off the end cap. And there's this little plastic washer that holds it on. Oh, just pushes right through. Next, the little wiring harness. On the left and right, it feels like there's these little gray tabs that you just open like that, and the plug comes right out. Pretty easy. Looks like it'll only fit in one direction. Plugs right in there. The gray tabs just fit here. There is a notch, so it'll only fit in one way. All right, let's take out this guy. Here are the 2 empty screws. Right here and right here. I took out mounting the windshield. came apart pretty easy. Here is the plug. Only goes in one way. There's this little notch connector and these little gray guys. That is the Pan American Naked. Okay, there are a few little tabs in here you have to punch through in order to get the LCD screen. Again, just went back to the old toolkit that I carry. These are a recent ad. Tiny little needle nose. I just pushed them from the inside and out, so it looks like it punches through and it's flexible, and voila. I'm going to take good care of this guy. Right out of the way, and I'll show you just, maybe you can see, these are the little tabs I pushed through from the inside. Just popped them out. LCD screen came out perfectly. Okay, according to what I watched online, the gentleman showed taking this template and laying it on here to drill your screws, 1/4 inch drill bit. For me, I'm going to do it the same way he did it. I'm just going to take this unit, maybe try to put some clamps on it, level it up, and we'll see how that goes. So let me play with this and see what the final version is before I drill my holes. Alright, I just laid the LCD screen and the GPS kind of where it looks like it might go. Looks like they're about the same angle. Let's just take that off. Take this guy out. Might have to use 2 hands. Oh, nope, got it. And that's it. That's where I'm gonna drill my holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, let me get to drilling. 1/4 inch drill bit. Alright, here we go. Alright, I went ahead and got the GPS mounted to the ram, to the mount. Okay, the screws are on and the back plate is on. This little L bracket, opposite side of this, makes it much more rigid. Did that for both sides. I did put a little Loctite on each one of these just to make sure. We'll see. Well, let's try to get my instrument panel back on. And a bunch of cut scenes in and out. Not sure how interested everyone is in the nitty gritty. Let's see. Ooh, dropped right in. Let's give it a little push. Alright, gotta put some muscle into it, I think. Alright, LCD screen is back on. Needed a little extra push in it, so I took that tip out of the screwdriver, was able to get it in. Got the rubber popping all the way through the back side. It's a little heavier now, I guess. Don't know if you can see, but it's good. Okay, that's it. That's on. It's a little, it could be me or it might be a little crooked. I'll have to play with that later. I can't get to it if I take the windscreen off, so that's good. I had to run the wire along the back side. It wouldn't fit in the space behind the LCD, and then it got kind of bent up. Didn't want to take a chance. Back to the bike. And speaking of the bike, would that not make an awesome looking Street Fighter? Get a little bit straighter bars on that thing. Just saying, it's right there. Alright, let me try to get this back on, plugged in, without causing too much havoc. Alright, it's all put back together. Just kind of reverse the order, make sure I got everything plugged in the way it should be. The screws down on the sides. Let's see here. This guy and this guy. And just for a point of reference, this little USB-C plug, it has a, sorry, my fan was on. It has a flat side, so you gotta make sure that you use the flat side to get it punched through all the way. Alright, I think that's pretty much it. Whoa, got dark. I think that's pretty much it for me. With this, I'm going to wire it up, see how it goes. Alright, I'll do a little end result in a second. Or, well, your second, my who knows how long. Alright, it is on. Hit the accessory button. Accessories are on. GPS is on. It's powered. Worked out pretty good. Again, I have another video. I'll link it somewhere for wiring, again, hard wiring. Everything's soldered and shrink tube in case I want to go adventure riding. That's all I got. You guys drive safe, or ride safe, be kind to each other, have fun, and do something on your motorcycle. Minnow is out.